My name is Mike King and I'm an applicator and a distributor for EKosher coatings, and I just want to show you a little sample here on the windows on my warehouse. So you can see we're on a northern aspect. The glass generally gets hit by the rain and so forth, splash, but it doesn't get much of a chance to get rinsed off. I'm going to show you two of the window panels that I treated around about 2 months ago, and you can see that one stayed clean and the other one's got the typical 2 months dirty windows situation going on with it. And I'll just show you the difference. I'm going to just throw a hose on it, just typical tap water, and show you what happens with the two windows between the two, the way that they behave with the water, and you'll see exactly why one of the windows stayed clean and why the other one stayed dirty. And also we've got on one window to the left hand side of it again, we've actually got spider webs on that window, and on the one with the EKosher coating there are no spider webs on that. So I'll show you that briefly as well. And it's pretty exciting because when you see how it behaves, it really does give a difference to the maintenance of your windows and having a long lasting clean effect for the glass, so you can just enjoy the views that you paid for. So I've just turned my garden hose on. No window cleaning kit or any squeegees or anything like that. And these are the two windows. These windows here, a little bit hard to see, but you can see if I move, you can see the dirt on this window. And this window here, if I move it, it's just a very clean window. It's a complete difference in the glass. They were both cleaned at exactly the same time 2 months ago. I'm going to step back and give you a bit of a hand shot of the two windows. So the first one, the second one. The first one hasn't been treated with the EKosher on the right there, and the second one has been treated with the EKosher clear coating. Just going to show you the difference in the way that they behave when I just put typical water on them, and you'll see why this system works so amazingly. So first I'm going to do the original windows. Remember, they were both cleaned at the same time. So I put the water on the glass, sort of rinses it down. You can see how the water beads up on the glass, which is very typical. Now this is the water done with the EKosher coating. You see how the water goes flat on the glass. Just a beautiful, spreads out very flat. And this here, so the water repels on the glass with this window. On this one, the water attracts, the water pulls into the glass. They call this side hydrophobic because it's got a phobia to water, and this side hydrophilic because it's got an affinity to water. And I'm just going to let the water start to dry on both of these, and I'll turn the camera on again shortly, and you'll see the difference why one window just stays dirty and continues to get more and more dirty the more it gets rained on, and why the second window actually just stays clean by itself, literally maintenance free, or it may need a little bit of a squirt from a hose from time to time, but very little maintenance indeed. So already this is like literally 1 minute afterwards. You can see the drops of water all over the glass, and this one here you can see the water still sits flat, and at the very top you may see a little line where the water is just starting to drop off the top of the window. So it actually just separates, and you get a line coming down the glass, and as it comes down it just leaves beautiful crystal clear glass behind. Now we're really starting to see the water fall down from the glass, and you can see along here there's like a little wave that just falls down and comes off the glass as the water falls off the pane. Just gravity just does its job. Sitting a little bit higher on the end there, maybe the wind's not getting in there. It's around about mid-30s today, probably cooling down to about 30 degrees Celsius here in Sydney, so it is a warm day. And you see just slowly, right there, you see that line there, just where the water's falling down from the glass. I'll be back in about another couple of minutes time. And if I film it now, you can see I love the view of the Chatswood City here behind us. You can see the water just falling down, slowly coming down. So I'll just let it sit there for a bit, and we'll let it fall down off Chatswood, and we'll see the glass give a nice clear view over the city there. Look at it coming down, that's so cool. And I'll probably give that a bit of a fast motion right now, let it finish its job. Yeah, look at that now, see, it's just come off the city, so now we've got a beautiful, clean view of the city through your lovely, perfect glass. This side, I've still got all the drops sitting on the glass, and you can see here, these spots here are actually dry spots where the water's dried and left stains on the glass. So that's the difference. Regular water on glass that's been cleaned regularly is like a hydrophobic reaction. You get beads of water on the glass that leave stains and the minerals from the dirty tap water on the glass, and rainwater, dirty rainwater, leaves the dirt on the glass. The EKosher coated glass just leaves a beautiful, lovely, clean sheet of glass. I come down lower and I can see it's falling. It's right down to here now. I've got a bit of a rainbow going on. It gives like a little bit of a rainbow through the top, which looks really cool. It's quite an interesting reaction that it has to the water as it falls off the glass. Alright, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. I'm going to sit back and enjoy the afternoon.